Assalamualaikum friends, this is Sadia from scholarshipraw.com. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk about King Abdul Aziz University scholarships for undergraduate, master's and PhD degrees. King Abdul Aziz University offers a fully funded scholarship in Saudi Arabia for all the international students around the world. Today, I will be covering King Abdul Aziz University scholarship, its benefits, eligibility criteria and step-by-step application process. So, stay tuned till the end. Friends, King Abdul Aziz University is offering all the academic programs including sciences, engineering, humanities, arts, information technology, business administration, computer engineering and sciences. Program period: 4 years for undergraduate, 2 years for masters and 3 years for PhD. Deadlines: there is no specific deadline. You can apply all around the year. Courses offered: you can check different disciplines of King Abdul Aziz University offering undergraduate, master's and PhD degrees here. Now let's talk about scholarship coverage. Friends, King Abdul Aziz University scholarships are fully funded with following benefits: receiving new students at the airport, 2 months stipend upon arrival as preparation allowance, monthly stipend, distinction allowance for outstanding students, 3 months stipend as graduation allowance for shipment of books, offer regular students with annual ticket and also compensate newcomers, offer follow-up of award-related financial assistance until they got organized, prove emergency subsidies and financial aid, employment offered to the scholarship students, students' families upon their desire, provide suitable accommodation for scholarship students and follow up on their status and their places of residence during their academic year to find solution in case they face any problems, offer low-cost food, offer healthcare for students and their families. Now, let's talk about eligibility criteria for King Abdul Aziz University scholarship. All world countries are eligible to apply. Now, let's focus on some undergraduate requirements. The student must be of good conduct. Student must hold a secondary school graduation certificate and it must not be older than 3 years. Students' age should be between 17 to 25 for undergraduate level. A female student must be accompanied by a relative who is within the prohibited degrees with a regular resident. Students must be eligible for admission requirements. Now, let's talk about some master's and PhD requirements. Student must not be older than 30 years for master's and 35 years for PhD. Student must obtain a recognized qualification in his own country with a minimum grade in case their final degree classification were awarded in an estimate. English language test certificate. The student must provide 2 recommendation letters. Student must not have been dismissed from one of the Saudi institutes. Candidates of Arabic language and literature, Islamic law and studies, sociology, psychology, information sciences program must be professional in spoken and written Arabic language. Now we will discuss how to apply for this scholarship. First of all, you have to create an account on official website of the university. Links are provided on our official website of scholarshipraw.com. Next step is to apply the online application. Required documents. You will be required your CV, statement of purpose, a copy of previous degree certificates, a copy of transcripts, recommendation letters, a copy of passport, photographs, language proficiency certificate. Now, let's walk through the application form. First of all, you have to create an account on university website. From this page, you can create your own account, or once your account is created, please log in from this link. This is the online portal to apply at King Abdul Aziz University. The first tab is of personal data. You have to enter your name, nationality, passport number, address, and some other your basic information here. Next is education. You have to enter your educational background here and your English proficiency certificate result. Once you add information about your education in the education tab, you can see all the program in which you can register on this registration form. You can select according to your choice. Next tab is add files. You have to attach your scanned copy of your passport, your graduation certificates, your transcripts, English language exam certificate, recommendation letters, your CV, statement of purpose, your personal photo. That's all. I have shown you the overview of the application form to apply at King Abdulaziz University. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos related to scholarships, and also visit our website scholarship.raw.com to know about latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you, friends.